And on the subject of concerns, we do have some concerns with some severe weather to the north of us right now.
Yeah, right now that's where the heaviest of the rain has been, and the rain is the biggest issue up there right now. I know there's been a couple water rescues. I know scuba is responding to something up in Mercer County, and typically that means that they're searching for someone or something. So hopefully that all ends well. But if you do come across water-covered roadways, you don't want to try to pass through that. And it looks like Mercer County may have several areas where that is the case right now, because that's where the heaviest of the rain has fallen in our area. Now, there is still some steady rain in areas of northern parts of Lawrence County. Actually, you can see from Wilmington down to Newcastle there. Hermitage, Mercer County still seeing some steady rain, but that's just south of that box where we have our flash flood warning that's in effect until 7:15. Steady rains back towards Slippery Rock, Grove City too, and right across northern Butler County. Anything south of Pittsburgh is light. We have a couple sprinkles near Ligonier, a couple sprinkles near Uniontown. That's about it. But don't think you're in the clear just yet, because there's a lot of activity coming out of Ohio, and some of these storms have been pretty hefty. Couple tornado warnings have been issued in these. Now they are losing a little bit of steam and will continue to do so as the sun continues to set this evening. However, one or two of these might still be a little on the strong side as they cross over that Pennsylvania border into town. But as it stands right now, the severe thunderstorm watch only comes up to the Pennsylvania border but doesn't cross it, and that's in effect until 9 o'clock for areas in northeast Ohio and 11 o'clock for areas in southeast Ohio. So right now, the way it looks, these storms are going to continue to work north of Pittsburgh through about 8 p.m., but right around 7 o'clock, these are going to start crossing into Allegheny County and clearing about 9-10 o'clock, and then pushing down into areas of the ridges and areas south of I-70. So this is where we're expecting, or how we're expecting these to come through town. And right now we're dry, other than a couple sprinkles in downtown. 71 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, winds out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour. So a lot of activity coming in from Ohio. You can see all the lightning flashes in there from Mansfield to Akron, down into New Philadelphia, Cambridge, Ohio. And those are going to continue to build towards us as we go into the coming hours. And that line extends all the way back to Indianapolis. But what's going to happen is that front just needs to push those out of here, and that's going to happen right around 10-11 o'clock in Pittsburgh, and taking us to about midnight 1 a.m. for areas to our south and east, and then we're dry for a while. We get a nice little break from the weather. 63 degrees though tonight. We are going to see those scattered thunderstorms, and if you haven't already had them move into the area, they will be into the next couple of hours. Tomorrow, clouds more than anything else. We will see a few peaks of sunshine trying to work in there, but it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, 79 degrees, and through it, you're going to see that sun's going to have a hard time until we get into the afternoon. Then it's going to play a little bit of peekaboo between the clouds and not seeing that sunshine. Now, over the next several days, our temperatures stay in the low to mid 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and you're going to notice that once we get into tomorrow, we're going to see some dry weather all the way through the weekend. Now, Sunday night, we'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms try to make a comeback to the forecast. Those will carry over into Monday. After that, we dry it up again. Both Tuesday and Wednesday look to be dry. So this is one of the drier forecasts that I have been able to give so far in 2019. Now, with those storms on the way, you're going to want to download the KDKA weather app right now. You can see them coming in on the radar. If there's any alerts, they get sent right to your mobile device. This app is also free, and you can find it in the App Store or Google Play by searching CBS Pittsburgh.